Hello students, today in this video we shall learn to solve linear simultaneous equation by the method of cross multiplication. Okay, to understand the topic method of cross multiplication, I have chosen two questions and this is the first one. Okay, so let's solve this question. This is equation 1, 3x minus 4y equal to 1, and equation 2, 4x equal to 3y plus 6. To solve these equations by the method of cross multiplication, what we do is first bring everything to the left hand side. Okay, 3x minus 4y equal to 1. 1 is in the right hand side, so let's bring this one to the left hand side. Equation 1 we rewrite again, 3x minus 4y. So this plus 1 from the right hand side we bring to the left hand side becomes minus 1 equal to 0. This is equation 1. 4x equal to 3y plus 6. This is equation 2. So we bring 3y plus 6 from the right to the left hand side. Okay, 4x minus 3y, so plus 6 when we bring to the left hand side becomes minus 6 equal to 0. This is equation 2. Now let us solve these two equations by the method of cross multiplication. Okay, so what we do is first we write x whole upon equal to y whole upon equal to 1. Okay, after that what we do is first we write the numbers in the denominator of x. Okay, to write the numbers in the denominator of x, what we do is we have to cover x. Okay, we have to cover this x, 3x and 4x. Okay, then we multiply these numbers in this way diagonally. So we have minus 4 and minus 6. We multiply these two numbers first and then we write minus and then again minus 3 into minus 1. Okay, we cover x. To write numbers below x, what we do is we cover x and then we multiply this diagonally. So we have minus 4 and minus 6, so we multiply this. Minus 4 times minus 6, minus 4 into minus 6, the coefficient of y and the constant number. Okay, then we have sign from the formula, that is minus sign. Okay, we have multiplied diagonally in this way. Now we have to multiply diagonally in this way also. Okay, so minus 3, the coefficient of y is minus 3 into this constant number minus 1. Minus 3 into minus 1. Okay, after that we write the numbers in the denominator of y. To write the numbers in the denominator of y, what we do is we have to cover y. We have to cover this y. Okay, we have to cover this y. When we cover this y, we have this number and we don't have numbers to the right of 1. So what we do is we assume this 3x and 4x to the right of 1 and 6. Okay, so minus 1. So when we cover this minus 1, first we have to multiply downwards diagonally. Minus 1 into the number below this will come 4. So minus 1, sorry, this is minus 1 into minus 1 into 4. This minus 1 into 4, this 4. Okay, this number we have to assume to the right. After that we have to multiply upward, isn't it? So minus 6 in the and the number here upward. So this 3x by 4x comes here, which means 3 will be in the upper side. Okay, so minus 6 into 3. Here comes the minus sign from the formula. After that minus 6 into 3, minus 6 into plus 3, minus 6 into plus 3, minus 6 into plus 3. Okay, now what we do is we have to write number in the denominator of 1, isn't it? Denominator of the constant number. So to write the number in the denominator of constant number, we have to cover this constant number. Okay, let me write this minus, this is minus, this is minus, this is also minus. So to write number in the denominator of 1, we have to cover this. To the right of this number we have 3x and 4x, and then minus 4y up and minus 3y, isn't it? So when we cover this number, the next of this comes this, isn't it? So plus 3 into minus 3. We have to multiply diagonally from top to bottom first. Plus 3 into this minus 3. Then comes sign from the formula, that is minus, okay? Now we have to multiply diagonally upward. Plus 4 into minus 4. Plus 4 into minus 4, okay? Now what we do is, we just simply multiply. X minus into minus give us plus, 4 6 is 24. Minus into minus is plus, we don't write the sign plus. We have to understand when there is no sign, we should understand this is plus, okay? 4 6 is 24. Now minus into minus is plus, so that plus into this minus is again minus. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. 3 1s are 3, equal to y upon, so there is plus in front of 4, so minus into plus is minus, 1 4s are 4. Minus into minus is plus, plus into this plus is plus. There's plus sign before 3, so minus into minus is plus, plus into plus is plus. 6 3s are 18, equal to 1 upon, so this is plus, isn't it? No sign means plus, so plus into minus is minus, 3 3s are 9. Again minus into plus is minus, again that minus into this minus is plus, okay? So 4 4s are 16. I hope you are getting me. Or x upon 24 minus 3, that is 21, isn't it? 4 minus 3 is 1, so 24 minus 3 is 21, equal to y upon, 18 is positive, 4 is negative, so we must subtract this. 18 minus 4 is 14. 18 minus 4 is 14. The sign of greater number plus comes here, equal to 1 upon, 16 is positive, 9 is negative, so we have to subtract in this case also. 16 minus 9 is 7. The sign of greater number plus, okay? So we have x upon 21 equal to y upon 14 equal to 1 upon 7, which means this number equals to this number, isn't it? Which means this equal to this and this equal to this. All are equal to each other. So we can write x upon 21 equal to 1 upon 7, and we can also write y upon 14 equal to 1 upon 7, isn't it? Or x equal to, so 21 into 1, cross multiply, okay? 21 into 1 is 21 upon 7, so 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21, and y equal to 14 1s are 14 upon 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, isn't it? Therefore we got the values of x and y. X equal to 3 and y equal to 2. So this is the solution for x and y by the method of cross multiplication, okay? I hope you got this. Now let's move on to the next question to understand this topic better. Okay, now let's do question number 2. X minus y equal to 2a, this is equation 1. Ax plus by equal to a square plus b square, this is equation 2. Here we have x and y as variable and a and b are constant numbers, okay? So let's solve this by the method of cross multiplication. To solve this by the method of cross multiplication, what we do is we bring everything to the left hand side first, okay? So this is equation 1, x minus y, and 2a is in the right hand side, so when we bring to the left hand side becomes minus 2a equal to 0. This is equation 1. And equation 2, we have ax plus by equal to a square plus b square, so we bring this a square plus b square to the left hand side, okay? When we bring this a square to the left hand side becomes minus a square, and when we bring this plus b square to the left hand side becomes minus b square, okay? So here we can see minus and minus, we can take the minus common out, okay? So this becomes plus a square and this becomes plus b square. When minus is taken common, minus becomes plus and plus becomes minus, isn't it? Here both are minus, so both becomes plus. when we multiply these numbers with minus sign, we must get these numbers. Okay, so minus into plus a square is minus a square, minus into plus b square is minus b square. So this is satisfied, isn't it? I hope we got this. Now let's rewrite equation 2 as well. Ax plus by, so we bring this whole number to the left hand side. Okay, minus a square plus b square equal to 0. This is equation 2, isn't it? So let's solve equation 1 and 2 by the method of cross multiplication. Okay, so this is x upon equal to y upon equal to 1 upon. Okay, so to write the numbers in the denominator of x, what we do is we have to cover x first. Okay, so we have to cover x, and when we multiply with the coefficient of y and just below diagonally. Okay, from up to downward, first up to downward and then minus sign, and then we multiply from down to upwards diagonally. Okay, here we can see the coefficient of y is minus 1, isn't it? Minus 1 into minus this constant number a square plus b square. So minus 1 into minus a square plus b square, minus 1 into minus a square plus b square. Okay, then comes minus sign from the formula. After that we multiply diagonally upward, isn't it? So the coefficient of y is plus b into this constant number, this is minus 2a, b into minus 2a, so b into minus 2a. Okay, and then when we write the numbers in the denominator of y, what we do is we cover y, we cover this y, and we multiply this downward, isn't it? But we don't have any number to the right of this constant numbers, so what we do is we assume these numbers to the right of this. Okay, right of constants, we assume x and ax to the right of these two constants. Okay, so when we cover y and multiply downward, minus 2a into, so this ax will be the number below this, isn't it? So minus 2a into ax means the coefficient of x is a, so minus sign comes from the formula. After that we multiply upward, so minus a square plus b square and the coefficient of this x, that is 1, so minus a square plus b square into coefficient of x is 1, isn't it? This number and the number above this, so this number when it comes to the right, the coefficient of x is 1. Okay, this. After that, to write the numbers below 1, what we do is we cover the constant numbers. After that, to the right of this is this numbers, isn't it? So we multiply from up to down diagonally. Okay, 1 into plus b, 1 into coefficient of y is plus b, 1 into b, and then minus sign from the formula. Okay, and then upward, a into minus 1, a coefficient of y, coefficient of x is a into the coefficient of y is minus 1. After that we have x in the numerator. Okay, so minus into this minus is plus. Okay, we don't write plus. 1 into a square plus b square is a square plus b square. Minus into minus is plus. 1 into a square plus b square, a square plus b square. Now minus into plus is minus, that minus into this minus is plus. Okay, minus into minus is plus. B into 2a is 2ab equal to y upon, so no sign before a means plus sign, so minus into plus is minus, 2a into a is 2a square. Here minus into minus is plus. Okay, a square plus b square into 1 is a square plus b square, isn't it? Equal to 1 upon 1 into b is b, minus into minus is plus, a into 1 is a. Okay, So let me erase this bracket. We don't have any use of bracket here. X upon a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus 2ab plus b square means a plus b whole square, isn't it? The formula for a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to y upon, so we don't have the use of this bracket here also, so we erase this. So we have plus a square and minus 2a square, isn't it? That becomes minus a square, minus a square. 2a square is negative, this a square is positive. So 2a square minus a square is a square. The sign of greater number comes here, minus a square. This b square we write before this, because this is positive, so we write b square before, equal to 1 upon b plus a, isn't it? So this number equal to this number equal to this number, which means this equal to this and this equal to this, isn't it? So let me write that. Or x upon a plus b whole square equal to 1 upon b plus a, okay, and y upon b square minus a square, b square minus a square. We can assume this as a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is a square minus b square is a plus b whole a minus b, isn't it? A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So b square minus a square is b plus a into b minus a, isn't it? Equal to 1 upon b plus a, b plus a. So this number equal to this and this number equal to this, this number equal to this, this number equal to this, okay. Now, or x equal to, we cross multiply this, okay, a plus b whole square into 1 is a plus b whole square, okay. So b plus a can be written as a plus b. B plus a and a plus b are same thing, okay. 2 plus 3 equal to 5, 3 plus 2 equal to 5, same thing, isn't it? So b plus a can be written as a plus b, and y equal to, let's cross multiply this number with 1, we get b plus a into b minus a, and in the denominator we have b plus a, isn't it? So we cancel this b plus a and b plus a. Here we have a plus b whole square, here we have a plus b in the denominator as well, isn't it? So we can cancel a plus b and a plus b from here also, okay, which means the value of x equal to a plus b, okay, and the value of y equal to b minus a, isn't it? So this is the solution for x and y by the method of cross multiplication. I hope you got this, you understood the concept and the topic, okay. Thank you so much. Stay connected. I'll upload more of the questions like this in the future.